Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you how does the external news affect the stock market. How does it affect in what ways it can affect the performance of the stock market. So this is a main question to raise. How would you trade in that situation. So this video is all about how to trade in that situation when the stock market is affected by the news of a certain country. So let's get started with the video. Now as you can see that this is a random stock. I picked up a random stock. Now in this case, just let's start from the beginning, the March of 2020. So as you can see that this dip, you can see that this great dip was due to the impact of the COVID-19. When the COVID-19, when news was floating in the when news was floating in the outside world about the COVID-19 lockdowns, and lockdowns were imposed in different parts of the countries, in different countries around the world. And also when when different businesses were going bankrupt, even the investors were pulling out their money from the stocks from different companies and different businesses. In that situation, this dip happened. This stock dipped by this much point. So this was due to the impact of the COVID-19. Now when the investors were relieved and the people were relieved that everything will be okay, so they started investing in different stocks. They bought stocks in different companies. Now you can see that why this dip occurred. This dip occurred because in our country our political conditions are not quite well. They are not stable. So this dip was happened due to when the opposition leader of our country was arrested. So this happened due to that. And now you can see that this happened due to the Senate election of our in our country that is currently running. And it's running when, let's say, when if the in the Senate election the opposition won, so the stock market would further drop. It would show instability in our country. And if the government side the ruling party won, the government party won, it would show that this country is stable and it will further go up on. So whatever news it is that negatively affects that, shows that the economy is not good, or it would scare the investors that they might lose their money in this country, or this investment or this country is a bad investment. So whatever the news, whatever the situation is, we'll have to know what will happen if a certain thing happened in our news. What would happen if this person is elected, or this one is has won the election, or this one has lost. So each and everything you'll have to consider in detail. You will have to know what would happen next. Is this person able person to run the country or do this? When President Donald Trump was elected, the stock market was dropped by don't know how much points, but after the second day of the election, it rose up again, and this time it rose up more than the dip that happened. So some of these things you'll have to keep an eye on these type of news. So what can happen in a country, and what will happen if a certain thing happens in a certain country. Now how to trade in that situation. Now as you can see that dip already happened, already occurred, stock market drop. So when the market is at its lowest, that is the greatest entry point. You can enter at that point and sell and exit at the when the stock market is at its highest high. So if you want to enter at this level, you can see that this is already at its lowest low. So enter at this point, because it is less risky, not more, when the stock market is at as said by the intelligent investor, that it is less risky, not more, when the market is at its lowest low. So this is a great entry point. Enter here, again down, again up. So this is a great position to great long position. So what about in this case? You can also enter at this level, but wait for it to show you some results that what will happen next. So in this case, just wait for it to for another candlestick to appear here, and then after that enter at this level, and you will move along the trend. So what about in this case? The same things. Enter here, go up, because you can see that this happened due to the same reason. Again, wait for the trend, and when it shows a candle, when the candlestick opens between the previous candlestick and closes above the close of the previous candlestick, it means that the stock market would now go up. And if it goes up, and when on the basis of the uh, results of the second of the candlestick, you can enter at that level and long your position, so you can be in the trend and make profits out of it. So what about when it dropped in March? So this was a slight drop, and after that it moved to its highest high, again drop. Now with the now if you consider the pharmaceutical companies in the when the COVID-19 was just on the rise, so in that case you will have to you can invest in pharmaceutical companies, because whichever vaccine was invented, and they've made the vaccine, they invented the vaccine for the COVID-19, and that vaccine was 100% success, 100% what do you call that, correct or right. So the stocks of that company would reach its highest high, would rise. So in that case, in these type of situation, always invest in those type of companies. Now you can also, when the COVID-19 was running, you can also invest in companies that are investment groups or investment companies, because they make investment, and if their investment is correct, the stock prices of that company would rise. So these are some of the news that you will have to keep an eye out, because on the basis of these news you will make your investment in the stock market in those type of situation. And also you can make huge profit by following these news. I think this is called fundamental analysis. So on the basis of fundamental analysis, you can make your investment and make huge profits out of it. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.